Hey, at least it's in liquid form, right, Maria? Because temperatures have been warming up. We've seen a lot of melting lately.
Right, and that's something else to keep in mind, too. You know, we've had some very thick ice on many creeks and streams and ponds around here, but now that we're getting these nicer temperatures, you've got to be very, very careful. Watch those pets very closely, just as Jim and Spencer mentioned earlier. You don't ever want to go in and rescue your pet yourself because it could be very dangerous for you. You got to call for help when that happens. We did hit 44 degrees in Boise yesterday. Really, really nice, and should be around that 40-degree mark to be on average with where we should be to wrap up January. And above normal temperatures expected once again today. Sun Valley made it up to 45 as a high yesterday, so really nice on those ski resorts. We're currently at 32 in Boise. I-84 was looking really nice today with all the melting we saw yesterday and the runoff. We were actually not seeing very much water on I-84, so those major arteries and roadways looking really good this morning. But with some of these temperatures down to freezing and a little bit below in the west end of the valley, do watch out for some patchy ice out there. That could be a possibility throughout the morning. And of course, as I mentioned before, walking from your car to the office, that could be the most dangerous part because you don't think about what you're actually stepping on, and you might miss some black ice out there in the parking lots. Now, we are seeing that high pressure build in, but a weak disturbance to our north is actually going to keep some cloud cover over most of the Gem State through today and into tomorrow morning. That will actually clear out tomorrow, so plenty of sunshine in the afternoon, but that also means colder temperatures in the morning hours, so more possibility of seeing that ice and also some patchy fog forming for the next few mornings as we move into the weekend. Now, there's that low pressure disturbance that is bringing that cloud cover in. Now, this is really good news for Idaho's mountain zones because that's going to keep a slight chance of some snow showers into the McCall area and also in the Sawtooths through the next 24 to 48 hours. It's a very slight chance, but it's still a chance. And as high pressure builds in, we're going to see a little bit of that inversion layer set up once again, but it's nothing compared to last week. Temperatures are still going to be in the mid-30s for here in the valleys, and it will be gorgeous up in the mountain locations for the Winter Carnival this weekend. Looking great in McCall with a high of 32 degrees for Saturday and Sunday. For today in the Treasure Valley, much like yesterday, temperatures in the mid-40s, very mild, calm, not seeing much of a wind here either, and we're going to see more melting as we move through the next couple of days. Patchy fog in the morning in the west central mountains clearing up, but look at some of these temperatures. 47 in Pine and Featherville, 49 in Riggins, flirting with that 50-degree mark. We are getting closer and closer to spring. I know we're just starting February tomorrow, though. Mostly cloudy for the east central mountain. Sawtooths have a slight chance of seeing some of those snow showers, more likely overnight, but that could happen, piling up some more inches on our ski resorts. Great news there. Very breezy in Magic Valley, but not as windy as yesterday, and temperatures really quite nice in the mid to upper 40s. So flirting with that 50-degree mark, but we're not going to make it there. And for the weekend, we do see those temperatures drop back into the mid-30s, still above freezing for our daytime highs. So it will be nice. We'll see plenty of sunshine, but that is because that inversion layer is setting up because high pressure rolling in. The high pressure ridge, though, it isn't as amplified as it was last time. So we're going to see a little more mixing because of that low pressure system to our north. So it's not going to be anything like it was last time. Hopefully we won't even see our air quality really falter too much. So nothing to be concerned about. I think the winter sads with a Z, I like to know, right? Winter sads, we can get rid of that this weekend. I'm excited to get outdoors
and
get
breathe
up to
easy.
the mountains.
Yeah, absolutely. All right,
thank
thanks,
you, Bree.
Bree.